right, so these two, commendably, have both run this, and you both commented when she mentioned the hill at the end.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
It was more of a groan.
Yeah.
What's your comment?
She was absolutely right, was what I was thinking. And all week I'm like, oh boy, that 5th mile, it's a struggle. Yeah, but it is such a good event. I'm not going to be breaking any personal records this weekend.
You don't have
but it's just such a good Maine event, and Best Buddies, the beneficiary too. Fun to take part, and looking forward to seeing a lot of you out there. I've got to go get my number, either after the show tonight or at some point tomorrow night. So maybe you'll see me at the middle school. Out there right now, it's wet in southern Maine, but it really is just southern and parts of the mid-coast that we have the rain right now. Heavy rain in southern New England. There have been some thunderstorms here, but this action is moving more east than it is north. So if you are dry where you are right now, odds are you'll stay dry the rest of the night. There really isn't going to be much other than a few sprinkles or showers in central Maine through the evening. 65 in Portland with the rain-cooled air. 72 though in Bangor, where it is dry right now. And also the dew points are dropping in central and northern Maine. And this drier air will start to move south very late tonight and tomorrow morning once this front finally starts moving. And then high pressure is going to bring us a great stretch for the weekend. So if you're stepping out this evening, I'd say anywhere from about Lewiston south, you've got a chance for rain, and that chance is much higher in York County and right along the immediate mid-coast. The rest of the state, though, stays dry through the night. So if you're in Bangor thinking of going to the state fair, other than maybe a sprinkle, and that's probably pushing it, you should be dry through the evening. By 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, most of us have developing sunshine. There still could be a shower around Kittery or York first thing tomorrow morning. And then it turns into a nice day, a mix of sunshine and clouds, low humidity tomorrow, and very pleasant temperatures, only around 70 on the down east coast, low to mid 70s on the southern Maine coast, and mid 70s inland coming up tomorrow. High pressure builds in for the weekend, and it controls our weather Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and perhaps even beyond. There's a weak front on Monday, could bring an isolated thunderstorm, but other than that, we have no big weather systems in the forecast for the next several days. Looks great for the beach to beacon, low humidity. There will be lots of sunshine, and there are some sunny spots on the course. So if you are running, going to hydrate either way, but it's not going to be like last year where it was super humid with even some rain early in the morning. Lots of sunshine through the day on Saturday, upper 70s to around 80, and a little bit warmer on Sunday, mid 80s inland, but the humidity will stay in check. I don't really see any super humid weather for the next 5, 6, maybe even 7 days. Seas tomorrow 1 to 3 feet, a light northeast wind 5 to 10 knots out on the water. So it's a partly sunny day tomorrow. It's comfortable, low humidity, mid to upper 70s. Very comfortable Saturday morning. Some inland locations will have a low temperature early in the morning around 50, but with the dry air, we warm back up into the mid and upper 70s. A bit warmer on Sunday. Could be an isolated storm on Monday, and same idea Wednesday, but through the next 7 days, we don't see any big storm systems anytime soon. So good looking forecast, and Chris, way better than the weather last year for the beach to
Yes,
begin.
I remember standing at the starting line and just all of the runners getting drenched.
Yeah.
And then it was, they'd moved back or moved up
Moved
the start.
it back
Yeah,
because
they
of
moved,
lightning. Yeah.
Right, and then I remember the rain stopped, the sun came out, and all the time I could hear my shoes going.
Oh, because you were soaked to that point. Yeah.
Just soggy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not this weekend.
can do
Sounds good. Thanks, Ryan.
You're welcome.